Hi guys, welcome to this week's lunch meal prep video. So it's really hot outside this week, so I wanted to do a no-cook lunch. So I will have the recipe for this in the description. It is keto-friendly chicken salad, and we're gonna have it in lettuce wraps. So this is really delicious, and like I said, it's a no-cook meal. So it's really hot. I don't wanna get the kitchen all hot today, so I got some canned chicken. You can also use a rotisserie chicken. So with the chicken salad, we'll use that canned chicken. It's gonna have mayonnaise, some lemon juice from a fresh lemon. I have some chopped walnuts. I'm gonna use a yellow onion, parsley, some dill seasoning, Dijon mustard, and then I'm also gonna add some dried cranberries. And then this butter lettuce is perfect for little lettuce wraps. So this will be our really healthy and no-cook lunch meal prep for the week. Like I said, the recipe will be in the description box, so I will show you how I make my chicken salad. All right, so I have half of a white onion. I am going to finely chop up this onion into some small pieces for the keto chicken salad. All right, so I have 3 cans of chicken and I have drained it completely and put it into the bowl. Next, I have half of a cup of mayonnaise. I will add that into the chicken. I have the finely chopped up onion. Next, I have 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. I have 1/4 teaspoon of dill. I have another 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. I'm going to use half of a cup of dried cranberries. These are delicious. And I also have half of a cup of chopped walnuts. Next, I'm going to add in the juice of half of a lemon. So it comes out to about a tablespoon of lemon juice. I'm going to mix this all in, all of the ingredients. We'll mix them around in the bowl and it will be ready to go. All right, so this chicken salad is all ready. So I have this head of butter lettuce. It's really great for making lettuce wraps. So I'm going to tear off a few leaves for each of our meal prep containers. All right, so now I'm gonna scoop the chicken salad onto the side. And then when we're ready to eat these for our lunch, we will just assemble the lettuce wrap. We'll put a little bit of the chicken salad into each piece of lettuce. All right, so our super healthy lunch is ready for the week. We have chicken salad. It's keto friendly with lettuce wraps. So check the description box for the recipe for this one if you want to make it. Thank you for watching. Please leave me a comment if you have any questions and give us a like on this video. Don't forget to click subscribe so you don't miss next week's lunch meal prep video. And also check out my breakfast meal prep videos if you haven't already done so. I will see you all next week. I hope that you have a great day. Bye-bye.